Exciting times ahead since Rocket Lab scheduled a space mission, which will carry Blacksky Technologies satellites into orbit. The launch is scheduled for May 28th and will utilize Rocket Lab's Electron rocket to take the Gen 3 satellites into a mid-inclination circular orbit at 470-kilometer altitude. This mission is the second out of 4 launches booked by Blacksky for 2025 and marks Rocket Lab's 7th Electron mission of the year. The launch, named Full Stream Ahead, will take place from Rocket Lab Launch Complex 1 in New Zealand and will bring the total number of satellites delivered to space by Rocket Lab to 226. This mission is significant for Blacksky as it will deploy another Gen 3 satellite to join the company's constellation, delivering high-resolution imagery and AI-enabled analytics for daily intelligence operations. The partnership between Rocket Lab and Blacksky highlights the reliability and efficiency of Rocket Lab's Electron launch vehicle, which has become the most prolific launcher for Blacksky's constellation. With partnerships like this, Rocket Lab solidifies its position as a global leader in launch services and space systems, with a proven track record of successfully carrying out space missions. The company has delivered a total of 226 satellites to space so far, demonstrating its capabilities in the space industry. Blacksky, on the other hand, is a cutting-edge space-based intelligence company that provides real-time, high-frequency imagery and analytics of strategic locations, economic assets, and global events. The launch of Blacksky's Gen 3 satellites is an important milestone for the company as it continues to build out its constellation and provide high-quality imagery and analytics to its customers. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.